Hey you guys, SK the Homesteader here with a Walgreens haul today. I would not say that this is like a real big coupon haul because it's not. This is actually 3 transactions. My first transactions was 30 rolls of tissue for 20 bucks. And this is not the first time that I told you guys to go over to Walgreens and get your toilet paper. These are compared to Scott's 1,000 sheets. Right now, they did go up $1. Remember, I told you could get 10 rolls. What was it? 10 rolls for $5. So they was kind of like 50 cents each. So now it's 10 rolls for $6. So my total rounded off to be about 20 bucks with taxes. So my first transaction was the toilet paper. My second transaction was the Olay, which the Olay is on promotion this week. Spend $25, get a $7 register reward. So I did get my register reward, and then that $7, I took the $7. This is what it usually looks like with a $7 on it. I rolled that into this transaction along with another 20% off coupon that I received from the purchase of the tissue. So my out of pocket for the Olay was roughly a little bit over 25, and I got back the $7 register reward, which I rolled it into the Dove, which the Dove caused me to break even because I had the $7 register reward, plus I had a $5 spend 10 get $5, and I had the 20% off. So I pretty much broke even with the Dove. So this wound up being free. All right. So the Dove is on sale this week. The Olay is on sale this week. So I plan on doing this same deal with my other cards that I have from Walgreens with my sons. So I'm probably going to do the same deal probably about maybe 3 to 4 more times, because I definitely have to restock on my Olay and my Dove. So again, this is 3 different transactions. Y'all hear me? 3. Do not forget, make sure you guys are stocking up on all your toiletries, all your medicines, all your detergents, your dish detergent, your clothing detergent, what else? Pretty much everything, you guys. But make sure you're definitely stacking up on your toiletries and your medicines. Don't forget about your medicines, you guys. And as the months go on, I will definitely do my best to bring you guys more videos on stacking up on like your Theraflus, your aspirins, your fever medicines, things like that, because we are going into the flu cold season. So you want to make sure you stacked up on all your medicines. All right, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really not something super duper big, but just a reminder to get out there and make sure you stay stacked, because we all want to survive the toilet paper shortage. All right, you guys, SK is back. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.